How to install Stalker Gamma. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to install Stalker Gamma. So in order to install the application, all you have to do is just simply first of all open your Play Store, and on the search bar just simply search for Stalker Gamma or the application that you would want to download. So I'm going to search for that, and as you can see in the search result, there is no such application called Stalker Gamma as of now in the Play Store. So what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen and just open your Chrome browser, and on the search bar just simply search for Stalker Gamma APK download, and as a result you will be able to see a bunch of different websites which will offer you to install the application right away. So I'm going to click on the first one that will appear on the top, and over here you will be able to see the application name, and it says free download. And when you will scroll down, you will see a bunch of different cues about the application and other stuff. And in order to download the application, just simply click on download free, and and just follow the on-screen instructions in order to install the application in your mobile successfully. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to install Stalker Gamma in your mobile device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.